Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. So I've been having a pretty hard time with my gas cooker and then I decided to replace it. Join me on unboxing this new gas cooker. You can't imagine the excitement I felt when I beheld this beauty. So it's actually time to tell my old gas cooker goodbye, see how it is stressed out and everything. So I'm just gonna take this out and install my new gas cooker. So I had helping hands. There was no way I would be able to carry this, so just get along with me. Fitting this on the marble seats, I understood that it was not gonna fit well because this was wider than the formal gas, so would have to cut the marble to fit the size. But before then, let's get this set up and let's get the gas cooker tested. So the flames were okay and the gas cooker was just giving. So it's time to cut the marbles. Now see that the mark has been made for the new cut and the cut was made using this machine. This was really tasky because the dust was too much and we had to do a reclaim through the entire kitchen. So after the cut was made, my gas cooker was finally placed on the marbles and this was the result. Cute, yeah or nay? It's cute, I know. So I'm gonna do a kitchen vlog soon. You have to stay with me and please stay subscribed. So why did I choose Polystyle? Why did I choose this brand really? I would have to make white rice and egg sauce while I tell you why I chose Polystyle. Well, I have lots of Polystyle appliances in my home. As you can see, the extractor is Polystyle and my kitchen oven and the microwave is also Polystyle. My kitchen air conditioner is also Polystyle. Truthfully, this is not a sponsored post, but then I just find myself using Polystyle in lots of places in my home. I won't be giving a review on any of the appliances yet, but then for the cooker, it was pretty cool. Trust me, it was. And I just loved everything about it. I love the fact that it was black, fitting my kitchen, black and white idea. I also like the fact that it came with 5 burners, well spaced, that every pot can fit in without disturbing the other, unlike my other gas cooker. I also love that it's very easy to clean up after every cook. And yeah, that's for the review of this gas cooker. So my food is ready. I use this to launch my new cooker and I'm just gonna have a good meal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've subscribed and liked this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.